so much to catch up on. Today's video, we're just gonna do a quick little check-in. It's gonna be okay. It's okay. We got a new camera. She got a new camera. Hallelujah. And it's gonna get real for the fall. Fall's coming.
Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a beautiful new background. If you can tell, we got a new camera. She got a new camera. Hallelujah. And I got a microphone. I know, I said 100 subscribers, I was gonna get a microphone. I tried. I needed a whole new setup. So we've got a whole new setup. We're getting better. It's gonna get better and better, you guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think of the background. I absolutely love it. I love it. I'm gonna be playing around with it's my first time filming in this space. So I'm still figuring out the camera. It's new to me. The background is new to me, all of it. It's just, oh my goodness, you guys, it's so much fun. We just had to address that because, yes. And if this is your first video with me, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoy the beautifulness that is the background because it didn't always look like this. So, so much to catch up on. Today's video, we're just gonna do a quick little check-in. You guys, the weather is starting to change. It is almost officially fall, but it is getting cool at night, cool in the morning. We had some rain a couple days ago, and I'm feeling it. Like, I'm feeling all the fall vibes, and I have for a long time. I've been really holding out doing fall content, but I can't hold back anymore. So this is my first fall recipe. This is a crock pot butternut squash soup, and it is gut friendly. It's got bone broth in it. It's good for your gut. It's good for your body. It's just gonna be warm and delicious. It's got curry in it. Oh, guys, I'm so excited for soup. Excited for fall recipes. Are you excited for fall recipes? What about this eye look? Are you guys excited for fall makeup looks? You guys, give me all the warm fall tones. Yes, I got fall decor coming for you. We pulled out the fall decor because I needed my pumpkin dish to put my soup in, and then that led to, oh, well, I found other pumpkins, and then Liv was like, oh, we should get our pumpkins out, and I was like, yeah, we should get our pumpkins out. So we've got our pumpkins out, so we're gonna be doing some fall decorating. We're gonna be doing some fun fall drink recipes because I'm coming up with some really delicious, really healthy fall drink recipes. I feel like as soon as it hits fall, it's like pumpkin spice and everything nice, but it's like 10,000 calories because it's all sugar. This girl can't eat sugar, and I am not a pumpkin spice girl. Sorry, no, sorry guys, I'm just not. I've never been a pumpkin spice girl. I don't like sweet drinks. I'm a black coffee drinker. That's just how I am, but I love a good chai. I'm going to experiment with some pumpkin recipes to see if I can find something that's not too sweet, but a turmeric latte, good for inflammation, a delicious chai recipe. Delicious. So get excited for some fun fall content. Today's video though, I just want to do a quick little check-in because if you guys have been following me for a little while, you guys know I was doing the Sydney Cummings Summertime Fine 3.0 reboot, getting my workout on. However, you guys, I am in a flare. Like, I have to finally admit that, and to you, but also to me. Oh, guys, it's really hard for me. I hate being sick, and it's really, really hard. So I put on makeup so that I wouldn't cry today. Isn't that the thing? I have a video planned on my agenda that was like, 2021, I have not been in a flare yet. These are all the things that I've done to keep myself out of a flare and how healthy I've been. And I have to crumple that up and throw it away because I'm in a really bad, it's like my body is slowly crashing a little bit more every day. And it all started, honestly, you guys, I did the Summertime Fine 3.0 reboot. I started doing a Mindspo meditation course, which I'm still doing. I absolutely love it. But I was getting up at 4:30 in the morning. As you guys saw, I've been getting up at 4:30 in the morning because I have all these things that I need to do and all these things that I really want to do. My brain says, you've got content ideas, do this, you want to grow, you want to get better, be better mentally, be better physically, and it takes time to do all those things. So I was just, okay, I can get up a little bit earlier. I was getting up at 5, I can get up at 4:30. It's not that big of a deal. It's only 30 minutes. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you totally should. I'm at the Sick Fit Chick. We're talking a lot more psoriatic arthritis over there right now, especially with this going on. But Liv's going through a phase where, you know, she's not napping and she's fighting sleep at night and waking up early, and it's just like, so if she doesn't sleep, I don't sleep, we don't sleep collectively, and my body hasn't had time to recover. Also, wedding season is back. Hurrah! You guys, I love it. I love working. Doing makeup for me is so good for my soul. Working, getting out of the house is so good for me, good for my brain. But being a makeup artist, like a working makeup artist, I stand for hours a day, and you know, I carry my kit and my hair kit, and it's a lot of weight. And whereas if you don't have chronic pain and chronic illness, that's not a big deal, but for my body, it's a lot. And I've been working a lot because, you guys, I'm so excited to be working. 2020, we didn't get to work at all. So I'm like, yeah, I want that wedding. Yeah, I want that wedding. Yeah, yes. And the lack of sleep and the overworking of my body is just got my body. Oh God. It's gonna be okay. It's okay. You guys, I did this incredible makeup look. I'm like really loving this makeup look. I'm not gonna ruin it with tears, so get it together. Anyway, let's look at this makeup look. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at those oranges, feeling all the fall vibes. Yes. Okay, my body is really shutting down. It's really, really tired, and I don't let myself feel that pain. Usually I like shove it down. It's been like a lifetime worth of pain that I've lived with, and you can't see it obviously because it's internal, so people don't understand, and you don't want to say I don't feel good because people don't get it. My body is so tired, and I decided to back down on my workouts. So I was really frustrated about a week ago, and I was like, okay, well, if I can't do Summertime Fine 3.0, I'm gonna jump on the strong train, because she just started in September, on September 6th, a strong program, which was awesome. So I decided, okay, I'll do that, but I'm only gonna do 3 strength training workouts a week. I'll do yoga every other day. I'll take 2 full rest days a week. I will let my body recover. I've been sleeping in as late as I can. Typically 5:45, 6 is about as late as my body lets me sleep during the week, before my brain is going and thinking of all the things that I have to do. So I've been sleeping in later. I've been doing yoga, and in my mind, I was like, I'm recovering. I'm doing great. I've only done 1 workout. I did a 30-minute full body workout. And then on Wednesday, I did the back and biceps, or biceps and back birthday workout. And I was feeling so strong, and I kept my weights pretty light. I didn't push into anything too heavy because I was trying to be gentle with my body, but it was a burnout workout. You were supposed to burn out your muscles. That was the goal. Like, I know that's the goal. That's what I wanted. I want to build muscle, you guys. That is my goal body-wise. I want to put on muscle. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that's my goal. So I pushed in the workout. I did the whole thing. Sorry, Doug and Liv are getting a snack. I think the last thing was you had to do 31 push-ups, and I finished the workout, and as soon as I finished the workout, I just could not stop crying uncontrollably. I just laid down and cried uncontrollably because my whole body was just like, nope, you're done. And literally just like shut down. It was like, nope, you just have to lay here. You cannot physically move. That was the point where I was like, okay, it's really here. You're really in a flare. You really did it to yourself, because it's so easy to say, well, take it easy, rest. Don't worry about it. You don't need to get the things done. You can sleep. I can't. I'm not that kind of a person, which is not good when you have chronic illness, because you need to sleep. You need to rest your body. Anyway, I really just wanted to be super excited and hype up fun fall videos. So sorry this got a little bit down. I just wanted to let you guys know where I was at, because fitness videos are gonna look a lot different right now, because I need to slow down. My body's not gonna let me do Sydney workouts right now, like not even the modifications. There's just no way. I'm barely gonna be able to do yoga. So it's gonna be yoga and stretching for me, which that's okay. I like to focus on changing my mindset right now and really focus on the things that I can do instead of focusing on the things that I can't. It's the only thing that gets me through these times. That aside, just want to do a quick little check-in. I want to show you guys my beautiful background. We are still keeping things as positive as we can. I want to be raw and real with you. I think the next few videos are just going to be fun fall decor. We're going to do some fun fall makeup looks. I just want to do a little bit of eye makeup, because I feel like the all matte eye is super trendy right now and I'm here for it. Maybe a chit chat get ready with me video, some fun recipes. Are you guys here for it? Are you guys ready for some fun fall content? I was thinking about doing like shorter vlog style things and posting more regularly. Let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. Just let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting with you guys, sending so much love to you, so much support, and I see you if you're struggling with chronic illness or chronic pain. You're not alone. It feels very lonely, but you're not alone. There's a lot of people out there. We just don't talk about it because it's too hard. It's too hard. But I'll talk about it. I'll talk about it for you guys. So we're gonna do some fun fall content coming up. I will show you this delicious soup once it's done. My soup recipe will be listed down below. I kind of combined a couple different recipes and I cut it in half because I'm probably gonna be the only one eating it just because it's gonna be hot today, but my body is just craving warm comfort food. So there you go. If this was content that you guys like to see, despite my teary eyes, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe, because it really supports my channel. A little like, you guys, goes a long way for the YouTube algorithm. It pushes it out there, and I think if we can spread as much of this positivity and just awareness around chronic pain and chronic illness and what it really looks like on the day-to-day, I think that we need that. I think people need that. A little like goes a long way. Really share this with a friend who might be struggling. Know that you guys are not alone. I'm here for you. Go follow me on Instagram for more support and just community. We've got a good community over there of people who are a mix of fitness and chronic illness warriors. We are all over there supporting each other. So much love. Send me DMs over there if you guys just need a little bit extra encouragement. I'm here for you. I am at the Sick Fit Chick. All of my information is listed down below. I've got other psoriatic arthritis videos I will have linked down below. I hope you guys love the new background. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys love it as much as I do, because I just want to sit in here and film all day. We are back. Our crock pot just turned off. It smells delicious in here. Oh my goodness. We're gonna put our butternut squash soup in this beautiful bowl. Yes, it's a little pumpkin bowl from Pier 1. Quick little story time. Before we got married, so 9-10 years ago, I wanted these bowls so bad. I love Pier 1 dishes. We got them for our wedding. I wanted these dishes so bad. And no, Doug bought me the dishes too. Oh my goodness. I wanted these with the matching plates, but at the time, you guys, like, I could not afford them at all. Each pumpkin was like $12 and the plate and all the thing, you know what I mean? And so I was like really bummed one day, or I don't even remember why, but I came home from work one day and Doug had bought all like 4 pumpkins, 4 full place settings with these beautiful pumpkins, and you guys, I mean, it's love anyway. He's just the best, but I love these little guys. I used to display them on my table. I've got dogs, I've got a kid. I don't do a display on my table anymore because there's no point, everything would get broken and just like thrown around anyway. But we're gonna use our pumpkin. I'd always bust them out around fall as decorations, and then we always do Friendsgiving, and so I will bring these out and I'll put appetizers and fun little things in there. So we definitely use them. I love them. They're so beautiful. So we're gonna put our little butternut squash soup in our beautiful little pumpkin dish, and just shout out to Doug because he's kind of the best ever, but we know that already. So, and speaking of pumpkins, stay tuned because I just filmed a fun fall decorate with me video. So my kitchen is looking fantastic. It just brightens my day and makes my heart so happy to see twinkle lights and fall decorations in my kitchen. So it was necessary today, and so stay tuned because that's coming for you guys next week. Let's get this butternut squash soup in this bowl and test it out. All right, you guys, so it's smelling absolutely divine. We have to puree it still and add more coconut milk to make it a little bit more creamy. So excited. We're just gonna use my Vitamix, so we're gonna pull it out, put it in the Vitamix, blend it up, and then pour it into our beautiful pumpkin bowl. So let's get going. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. It smells so good. Ridiculous. Ready for this? Get ready. Just gonna do a quick little taste test. Ooh, she's creamy. I for sure mixed 2 different recipes together, so I will link both of them down below, and then I'll just leave the actual recipe that I made down below so that if it's absolutely incredible, then there you go. Oh my goodness. So good. Ooh, that cayenne. I'm glad I only did 1/4 of a teaspoon. Mmm. So good. Okay, well, it's a win. It's 100% a win. So I will link both of the recipes down below. If you can add garlic and onion, highly recommend an onion and garlic in this. It would be divine. But for all y'all dealing with gut issues, like this girl right here, no garlic, no onion, and it's still fire. Okay, it's amazing, amazing. I'm so excited. You guys, it's so hot outside and I don't even care. I just want to eat all of that. Okay. All right, you guys, I can't stop eating it. It's delicious. I think though what I would definitely add, and I had every intention on adding, I would definitely add Italian sausage to this, whether it's chicken Italian sausage. I make my own Italian sausage because gut issues and I can't do the garlic and onion they put in it. I actually made up some chicken Italian sausage earlier this week, but I popped it in the freezer and I forgot to thaw it. That's how it goes. So if I was gonna eat this for a full meal, I would definitely add some chicken Italian sausage just to bulk it up a little bit, but oh my goodness, you guys. It's so good. I wasn't planning on eating this, but I for sure am now. You guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. A little like goes a long way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video with your girl right here. I would so appreciate it, and I would love to have you join the fam. And stay tuned. Next week, we've got our fun fall decorate the kitchen with me, because you guys, it's giving me all the vibes right now. I'm so happy. So happy. My mood has completely turned around. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.